Nom 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 nom. Huh? Oh? Oh? If Adam and Eve had eaten bananas, surely all the dolphins would fly through the sky. Hunger and conflict exist in the world, so believe in the future you dream. Oh yeah. Haha. Elephant. Oh.
Master!
Oh, how dare you! Get down from there, you big dumb mutt! You're dead! Oh! How about I stick my foot so far up your butt you'll have toes for teeth?
Wait a minute, what?
Oh, elephant, look what I have. Chow-wheat. Chow-wheat. Huh? It's good, yeah? Oh.
Ooh! Apple! Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, it's all right. Here, I have plenty. See, you eat it. It's good, huh? Yeah. Hmm.
Oh, thank you.
Oh no!
Here. Yeah, it's good. Yum, 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 yum. Huh? Master, please don't cry. We're eating apples with us. Master, I think you're Poor Master. Oh, huh? Huh? I can't believe that actually worked. Don't worry, he'll be back tomorrow. If Adam and Eve had eaten bananas, surely all the dolphins would fly through the sky. Hunger and conflict exists in the world, so believe in the future you dream. Gross! See you tomorrow, Master.